of all years, we say, let's get 2 bedrooms. Nobody ever comes in, so we get.
I'm done.
We usually have 5 bedrooms, remember?
I'm done, Pop.
But we usually are like, nobody comes down, or waits every year, nobody wants to come. This year we get. But no one ever came. Well, the kids were always.
I think that may have worked.
What?
I think it may have worked.
What do you think it may have?
All 4 of us have our.
I know it worked. I've done this with people, they call me.
High five.
I mean, you guys, as long as you're comfortable, we're stuff, what do you get?
Uh-uh.
I said,
Why?
I thought you got salsa on your shirt. You just missed it. Thanks, Pop. That worked. Poppy got rid of my